The arrangement of petals on a flower, the arrangement of seeds in a seed bed, or arrangement of cones in the pine cone, or even the arrangement of leaves on a stem and the arrangement of stem on the branches, even the human body or the shells in the seashells. Well, what if I say you they all are governed by one magic equation, or the nature is governed by one magic equation? Isn't that wholesome, or isn't that just amazing? Well, it is. So, yes, the whole universe is governed by this one magical code or sequence and its derived golden ratio, that is 1.618. So, let us see what this is and how it governs our whole universe. So, I, Pallavi Divekar, welcome you all to the season 5 of the Plants Education Series, episode 5, the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. Nature is full of such strange things, and the more we dig deeper into it, the more we find ourselves in awe of it. So, like I said, this magical equation that governs this whole universe, it's called Fibonacci sequence. So how it is defined then? Well, let us see. I'll show it to you. So here, let's start from this 0. So 0 and 1 is equal to 1. So I'm making the sum of the two preceding integers, that is 0 and 1 makes 1. So now 1 and 1 makes 2. Now we are going to, this is the mirror image. So you see 0 plus 1 makes 1, 1 plus 1 makes 2. So this 2 plus 1 makes 3. This 3 plus 2 makes 5. So this 5 and 3 makes 8. So what I'm trying to say here is the Fibonacci sequence is the sum of the two preceding integers, and you are going to find the arrangements in these numbers only, like 1 or 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, and so on. So you are going to find the sequence of the or the arrangement of the branches or petals in the flower or seeds in the seed beds or even the shell of the seashells in our human body, etc., etc. We are going to go deeper into this, but you are going to find this into this particular number sequence. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it exciting? Yes, let's get started.
Friends, this is Swati Gawande with Pallavi Divekar. So where can we find it? First, flower petals. Many flowers exhibit the petal arrangement that align with the Fibonacci numbers. Lilies have 3 petals, daisies have 21, and so on. Pine cones and seed heads. The spiral pattern on pine cone and sunflowers seed heads can be traced back to Fibonacci numbers, with the spiral often aligning the sequence. Trees and branching. The branching pattern in trees often follow this sequence, with the branches splitting in a way that reflects the sequence. Nautilus shells. The nautilus shell spiral is a classic example, with each chamber size being proportional to the previous one according to the sequence. Sunflower. The ratio between the distance of the seeds to the center and the total distance from the center to the edge of the head is approximately to the golden ratio. Other plant growth. The arrangement of leaves around the stem, known as phyllotaxy, can also exhibit the pattern related to the golden ratio. Hurricanes. The spiral pattern in hurricanes is another example of golden ratio in natural phenomena. Reproduction in rabbits also offers the same sequence. Even the honeybee colony and the human body exhibit the Fibonacci code.
So why does this code appears? The first one is the efficiency and the optimization. According to the Herbert F. Johnson Museum of the Art, the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio may reflect natural processes that maximize the efficiency, such as the plants maximizing light exposure by arranging the leaves at specific angles. The second one is the self-organization. The patterns seen in the nature often arise from the self-organizing processes where the simplest rules like the Fibonacci sequence leads to a complex and the seemingly elegant structure.
What is Fibonacci? In 1202, an Italian mathematician called as Leonardo Pisano, also known as Leonardo Fibonacci, son of Bonacci, derived an equation as a result of series of experiments conducted by him, which says that to reach an integral, it is the sum of the preceding two numbers.
So now you know how everything is so well planned and executed in the nature. Unlike, of course, me, who goes everything without planning. That's the topic for another day. So yes, so next time do check whether the petals on the flower or the arrangement of the branches on the stem or anything that you find in the nature goes by this Fibonacci code or not. Do let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.